This is an IELTS sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Want to improve your IELTS writing skills? Check out our new IELTS writing channel. Let's start off by talking about money. How do you save money?
I try to stick to a monthly budget and avoid impulse buys. For example, instead of eating out all the time, I cook at home. I also put a bit of money into my savings account every month.
Have you ever saved up for something special? What was it?
Yes, I once saved up for a new laptop. It took a few months, but skipping takeaways and unnecessary shopping really helped. When I finally bought it, it felt so rewarding knowing I worked for it.
What do you think about payment apps or mobile payments?
I love them. Apps like Apple Pay or Google Pay make things so quick. You just tap and go. I use them a lot for coffee runs or online shopping. But I do worry about security sometimes.
Do you use a credit card to buy things?
Yes, but mainly for big purchases like booking flights or buying electronics. For everyday stuff, I prefer cash or mobile payments. Credit cards are handy, but I always pay off the balance to avoid debt.
Do you think cash will still be popular in the future?
Probably not. More places are going cashless and digital payments are just easier. That said, cash might still be useful for things like street markets or small shops that don't take cards.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a cafe you like to visit. You should say where it is, what kinds of food and drinks it serves, who you usually go there with, what you do there, and explain why you like to go there.
Let me tell you about a cute little cafe I love called the Bean Haven. It's right in the heart of downtown, near Central Park, and it's my go-to spot whenever I want to hang out with friends or just chill by myself. The cafe has a warm and cozy feel with wooden tables, lots of leafy plants, and soft jazz. Big windows let you watch the world go by, which I find really relaxing. The menu's got everything from creamy lattes and strong cappuccinos to herbal teas and fresh smoothies. The food there are amazing. They offer flaky croissants, blueberry muffins, and healthy options like avocado toast and Greek salad. Everything's made with fresh, local ingredients, which I think makes a big difference. I usually go there with friends on weekends for brunch. We sit for hours, chatting over coffee and sharing a slice of their famous carrot cake. Seriously, it's the best. On weekdays, I sometimes pop in alone with my laptop or a good book. It's the kind of place where you can actually focus. What I love most about the Bean Haven is how it fits whatever mood I'm in. It's cozy and familiar. The staff are super friendly and remember regulars, which makes it feel more like a community than just a cafe. All in all, it's not just a cafe. It's a place where I can relax and unwind after a busy day or spend hours with friends. That's why it's one of my favorite cafes.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of cafes. Why do you think cafes have become popular places for socializing in recent years?
Cafes are just easy, comfortable places to hang out. You can grab a coffee, chat for hours, and nobody rushes you out. Plus, with free Wi Fi and cozy vibes, they're great for everything from catching up with friends to doing a bit of work. It's no surprise they've become so popular.
How do you think the atmosphere of a cafe affects people's experience?
A cafe's vibe makes all the difference. Soft lighting, relaxing music, and comfy chairs make it a great place to unwind. On the other hand, if it's too noisy or crowded, it's hard to enjoy. For example, a cozy cafe with jazz playing feels perfect for reading, while a trendy one is great for socializing.
In what ways can cafes contribute to the local community?
Cafes bring people together. Some host live music or book clubs, while others support local businesses by using fresh, local ingredients. For example, a neighborhood cafe might showcase local artists' work or sell homemade pastries, making it feel more like a community hub than just a coffee shop.
Do you think cafes will continue to be popular in the future? Why or why not?
Definitely. People love having a place to relax, work, or meet friends. Imagine hanging out with a friend and enjoying a cappuccino on a weekend afternoon. With more remote jobs, cafes are even doubling as workspaces. Some already have charging stations and quiet areas, making them perfect for both socializing and getting things done.
How do cafes in cities differ from those in smaller towns or rural areas?
City cafes are usually busier, more modern, and offer trendier drinks, like oat milk lattes. Small town cafes, though, feel more personal, with homemade treats and familiar faces. For example, a rural cafe might serve fresh, locally baked bread, while a city one has stylish interiors and international coffee blends.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.